Is your truck feeling sluggish and throwing a mysterious P022EE code at you? You might be losing boost where you need it most, and that is a problem you want to fix before your engine starts complaining. This specific diagnostic trouble code is all about your charge air cooler bypass control B circuit being low. Now in the world of forced induction like turbos and superchargers, we use a charge air cooler, or what most of us just call an intercooler. Think of it like a radiator, but instead of cooling down antifreeze, it is cooling down the air going into your engine to make a more efficient air and fuel mixture. This leads to better performance and more miles per gallon on the highway. The bypass valve is exactly what it sounds like, because it lets air bypass the intercooler when the engine control module decides it is necessary based on how you are driving. When your car sets the P022EE code, it means the computer detected an electrical value in that B circuit that is lower than it should be. You might notice your vehicle entering limp mode, where it feels like you have no power, or you might deal with engine misfires and a noticeable drop in your fuel economy. Most of the time this is caused by a mechanical issue like a stuck bypass valve or some kind of obstruction, but it can also be a broken wiring harness or a blown fuse. To fix this, you should first look for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, because that can save you a ton of time. Start by finding the intercooler, which is usually tucked behind your front bumper or under the hood, and follow the piping to find the bypass valve. Inspect it for physical damage while the engine is off. You can often remove the valve to see if it moves freely or if it is gummed up with oil and dirt. Give it a good cleaning before you put it back in. If the valve is fine, grab your multimeter and check for continuity in the wiring to make sure there are no shorts to ground. If you find that the valve is sticking even after a cleaning, it is probably time to replace it with a new one. This is a moderate issue, but do not ignore it, because engine damage in the long run is way more expensive than a valve. If you have checked the wiring and the valve and the code stays on, it is time to take it to a reputable repair facility before things get worse.